In this section, I'm going to be introducing the Egyptian walk. And we haven't looked at it so far, but we've looked at many hip movements that build up to the Egyptian walk. So we're going to start with the idea of the hip down, then the hip up, and then the hip down. Down. So when I say down, I'm taking a step. I'm pushing this hip down on the foot I'm standing on. I bring it up, and then I put it down again. And that causes, when I put that down, I lift up the other foot. So broken down again, I'm going to start with this foot. I step on it. The hip goes down. Up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And when I bring on the third down, when I bring that down, it brings the other hip up so I can take a step. So one more time. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. In threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's very slow, what I'm doing there. The idea is that we speed it up and speed it up. So we're going to take it again slowly. Down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. So we're going to try and go a little bit faster so that we're going with the tempo of the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm moving forward because that's the easiest to do. You can move anywhere you want to go with this, but forward is the easiest way to go. We'll do it one more time, just slightly faster. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Yeah, notice how it really works inside of the music. One more time. Yeah. So, there's a big jump between that and at tempo. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to make that jump. And that transition is one of those things that seems overwhelming when you first see it, when you first try it, and you'll do it and you'll do it and you'll do it, and it won't seem to be working, and then it will click. And it's one of those things, I think, for many, many, many dancers, that when it clicks, all of a sudden you understand it, and your body does it. But don't get discouraged, keep working, and you'll see what I mean after the click happens, yeah? 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So again, starting slow and then taking it at tempo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll just keep it going here. Yeah. One more time. 7, 8. So I can go anywhere with this. I'm just placing my feet from the back. Going backwards, I'm just placing my feet in place. Yeah, so we'll just try it in place for a second. Notice the emphasis on 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The down on 1, down on 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so just stand in place and breathe. Yeah. So now that we've got that going, let's just take it to the side with a step together step. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. So we can also add the forward, back, back, forward step. Remember, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward. So we'll go this direction with a 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To the side. Yeah, so that's a slow tempo. And notice I didn't mention in the beginning, but my knees are a little bit flexed. Yeah? Flexed as the flexed when we were lifting and dropping our hips in the first section. So let's take it to the side again at tempo with the forward, back, back step. 7, 8. And forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, and together. And notice when I do that, my feet are not very far apart. I'm taking very small steps. Very small steps. I'm keeping my feet underneath me. So I'll take it at half tempo and finish up at tempo. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, back, forward. Yeah? So just a small review. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And in place. Yeah. And let's take it up. And deep breath.